Ismash, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. In today's installment, we are currently constructing the side shed, which is very important. Most people think about building a unit and don't think about the side shed where you store materials and, you know, secure certain things for the site. And also in most cases some of the workmen sleep in the side shed. So we're going over here so now to have a better look. So here we have the inside of the shed where them use construction ply to build it with what is now 2x4 for frame it, and I think 2x4 underneath there. So that frame is going on top where you have the zinc, which will be the sheeting on top to, you know, run out the rain and whatnot. So I don't know if you guys can hear me, but over here now we have our lot. Over here now we have our lot in which we will be placing our house. So some of you guys may be asking, what is this? I know the reasoning behind it. You guys always go on the sites and see some boards wrapped around the site, and you guys be like, what is that for? What is the importance of it? Well, let me give you an idea. Nothing too brief, nothing too skimpy, but these are the profile boards, the hurdles that shows. It has some nails in it, so it shows the walls of the building and also the trench, the excavation trench. So on these boards now, let me see if I can find one to show now. So for example, here we have the kitchen. We're in the kitchen and you can see four different sets of nails driven into the board, and you may be wondering what do they represent and things like that of that nature. You have one single nail right here, so a double nail right here, so another double and another single. Now the inner nails normally we use double nails or a single one for the inner, and in most cases you'll find them using the double. But this represents the wall, in this case a 16. This represents the excavation, in this case 18. So these are the excavation and this is the wall. The walls always land on a wider footing because they need to spread a wider surface area for spread the weight. A card line now is then run from one side, let me show you now, to the other, for sure, a wall, even though it don't necessarily mean a continuous wall. So the mason or the block layer use those lines, those points for the card line as a guide for use, and also the operator for the excavator or backhoe or whatever you call it, for cut the trenches. So them are going to run the card lines them and also spray it for sure the operator where I'm going to cut. So in this case there is a single peg. In the follow-up vlog for this video, it's going to show how the card line meet at a single point where them are going to drive one peg where all of them cross, and use your plumb bob or your spirit, what you call spirit dopey or something like that, dumpy, to get this point. You're going to have 4 points on the land, the plot of land, to show where the house is going to be exactly. And on those 4 points or 4 sides of the on those 4 sides, it would only be parallel at one side to the profile board. So if the unit is bam to right there, so to over there, so to over there, so only on one side it will be parallel to the profile boards. So another little key thing on getting these sides of the profile board at a perfect angle, which we try to get it at a perfect right angle, 90 degrees. We use the, I think it's a 3-4-5 method, and get these angles, but we either want to achieve a perfect square or a perfect rectangle in order to make this thing work. So differently from that, the guys will be continue working on the shed, and we're gonna go and fight against these terrible mosquitoes, like those bushes over there. So trust me, mosquitoes, they sleep over there and hunt at night. We are going to see if we can finish the site shed before the night comes down or the day ends, and then we'll see if we can get out of here. And then another day now, after we get current and also water, we'll see if we can continue with this site. But for now, Team Ismash, hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog. It is just to show you guys that we're on a new site right now, and this is another strip foundation site. Even though most of the units around here says on a rafter foundation, we are using strip. Don't know why, but that's what the draftsman said we should build on. So we're using the strip foundation, and we're building on what's this called again? We're building on limestone, which is a much better type of soil than regular clay soil, because you know clay soil, when it comes down to water, it expands and contracts when it absorbs or releases water. That sometimes causes the cracks in the house. So expand and contract, and it can crack up your house. Anyways, you guys don't forget to support the channel by donating when you guys can in the description down below. And also please, you guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do. We're on a roll, and yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. See my smash. I am out and a boy.